Hi everyone, welcome to the PAW Patrol colorful adventure. Today we are going to have some fun and going to learn colors and numbers with some very special friends. We are going to play with some colorful monkey-shaped bowling pins that have numbers on them. Bowling pins shaped like monkeys. This sounds fun and educational. Here they are. Each monkey has a different number and color. Let's set them up and see what we can learn. So let's start with the first bowling pin. This one looks really nice. Oh wow, this is an orange bowling pin. I think there is something inside. But before doing so, let me tell you what number is it. It's number 1. I like number 1. Let's try to see what we have inside. Oh wow, there are so many things. This is a fish. That's an orange block. It has number 2 on it. The number on this block is actually matching with the number on the purple bowling pin. Oh, that's a small orange fish. It's looking so cute. This one is a drumstick. I hope you guys like it. Let's go and check the other color. So this is purple bowling pin. I guess there is something inside. Let me try to open it. Wow, there's so many things. This is number 2. The color of this monkey is purple. This is a purple juice bottle. Here we have a purple vegetable. Do you know what it's called? It's an eggplant. Let me try to cut it into 2 pieces. I have to use a knife for it. So here you go. I hope you like this color. Let's go and check the other one. Yippee! This is a blue monkey. I really like this color. I think there are a few things inside. Let me try to open it. Oh wow, there are so many things. That's a number 3. How cool is that? That's a blue monkey with pink ears. That's a blue fish. It's looking so cute. This one is a blue macaron. I really like to eat it. This boy is wearing a blue dress. He likes to eat macaron. That's a blue donut. That's a blue car. This car has black wheels. Oh wow, that's a blue sports car. It also has black wheels and the black engine. The engine is popping out of the bonnet. Let's go and check the other color. Let's check this one. The number is 4 and the color of this monkey is red. I think there is something inside. Let's try to open it. Wow, there's so many things. That's a cute little red fish. That's a red knife. That's a red duck. The duck swims in the water. That's a hot dog. Let me go and find out some other colors. So let me show you the next color. It's a nice green monkey. And the number is 5. Do you think, guys, we have to open this monkey too? Okay, let's do it. That's a green block with the number 6 on it. This one is a green bin. With the handles on it. That's a cute green fish. Let's go and check the last color. So this one is the last bowling pin. It has number 6 on it and the color is yellow. I'm gonna open it to see what do we have inside. That's a yellow duck. The duck swims in the water. That's a yellow chair. I would like to sit on it. Oh, that's really amazing. This one is a yellow juice bottle. So now today we have learned a lot. So let's go and play some games. So now we are gonna have so much fun. We are gonna use this red ball, which actually spins. We have actually set up all the colorful monkey bowling pins. Let's play together and we throw this ball on those bowling pins and knock them off. Yay! So let's start. Oops, I missed it. Let me try again. Great job, everyone! Not only did we have fun, but we also learned our numbers, and we couldn't have done it without our monkey-shaped bowling pins. This was so much fun! I can't wait to play a game and learn more. Remember, you can play and learn with any toys you have at home. Just use your imagination. Thanks for joining us today, everyone. Keep learning and having fun. PAW Patrol is always ready to help you learn and play. PAW Patrol is on a roll. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye.